The avocado, a tree with probable origin in south-central Mexico, is classified as a member of the flowering plant family Lauraceae. The fruit of the plant, also called an avocado, is botanically a large berry containing a single large seed. They can also weigh anywhere from 8 ounces (220 grams) to 3 pounds (1.4 kilograms). The most popular variety is the Hass avocado. It's often called alligator pear, which is very descriptive, as it tends to be pear-shaped and has green, bumpy skin like an alligator. The yellow-green flesh inside the fruit is eaten, but the skin and seed are discarded. Avocados are very nutritious and contain a wide variety of nutrients, including 20 different vitamins and minerals. Here are some of the most abundant nutrients, in a single 3.5-ounce 100-gram serving. Vitamin K, 26% of the daily value DV, folate, 20% of the DV vitamin C, 17% of the DV potassium, 14% of the DV vitamin B5, 14% of the DV vitamin B6, 13% of the DV vitamin E, 10% of the DV. It also contains small amounts of magnesium, manganese, copper, iron, zinc, phosphorus and vitamins A, B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, and B3, niacin. This is coming with 160 calories, 2 grams of protein and 15 grams of healthy fats. Although it contains 9 grams of carbs, 7 of those are fiber, so there are only 2 net carbs, making this a low-carb friendly plant food. Avocados do not contain any cholesterol or sodium and are low in saturated fat. This is why they are favored by some experts who believe these substances are harmful, which is a debated topic, however. Avocado health benefits. The skinny on this healthy fat fruit avocados offer an abundance of fiber, potassium, more than a banana, and vitamins B6 and C. They're also rich in folate, which can boost your mood. But any way you slice it, the nutrient avocados offer the most of is fat. In fact, 1 cup of avocado provides 21 grams of fat. The type of fat found in avocado, therefore, matters a great deal. And it's mostly a mixture of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Polyunsaturated fats are essential. This means they're necessary for your body to function, but it can't make them itself. Your body uses these fats to build cell membranes and the covering of nerves. And they're also needed for blood clotting and muscle movement. Monounsaturated fats are similar to the fats found in olive oil. Some studies have linked them to reduced inflammation, lower risk of heart disease, and anti-cancer effects. To me, avocados are a bit like one of the finest orchestras ever assembled. They're not only delicious, but they also contain a fabulous and nutritious symphony of components that combine to create a nourishing, satisfying, and, in my personal opinion, delicious result. And unlike, for example, avocado oil, a cup of avocado provides 10 grams of fiber. Plus avocados have few pesticides. According to the Environmental Working Group (EWG), avocados are one of the clean 15. The list of produce least likely to contain pesticide residue. Fewer than 1% of conventional avocados tested positive for pesticides. So if you can't afford organically grown avocados, you can choose conventionally grown varieties without any major pesticide exposure. 15 ways avocados can support your health. 1. Avocado eaters tend to be healthier. We found that avocado consumers tend to have higher nutrient intake and lower rates of metabolic syndrome. They also have lower weight, lower BMI, less belly fat, and higher levels of HDL, high-density lipoprotein, or good cholesterol. 2. Avocados can help you better absorb antioxidants. Some nutrients are fat-soluble. We found that eating carotenoids, antioxidants including lycopene and beta-carotene, with avocado or avocado oil increased their absorption. 3. Avocados may help prevent and treat cancer. A 2015 study published in Cancer Research found that avocatin B, a compound derived from avocado, can help kill leukemia cells. 4. Avocados can reduce your risk of heart disease. American Heart Association found that eating 1 avocado per day as part of a moderate fat, cholesterol-lowering diet reduced LDL, low-density lipoprotein, or bad cholesterol. 5. Avocados may aid in weight loss. in the Nutrition Journal found that people eating avocado with a meal felt 23% more satisfied. And they had a 28% lower desire to eat in the next 5 hours versus people who didn't eat an avocado. 6. Avocados may boost brain health and memory. The fruit is rich in oleic acid, or EA, an omega-9 fatty acid that's linked to improved cognition. 7. Avocados may help lower the risk of depression. Eating monounsaturated fats have been shown to reduce depression. 8. Avocados can help prevent neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. In advances in neurobiology found that the diverse array of bioactive nutrients present in avocados play a key role in the prevention and cure of these types of diseases. 9. Avocados can keep your eyes healthy as you age. The fruit is rich in the carotenoids lutein and zeaxanthin, which can help protect and maintain healthy cells in your eyes. 10. Avocados can help prevent gum disease. A 2006 study published in the Journal of Periodontology found that key ingredients in avocados may enhance protective effects against periodontal disease. 11. Avocados can help ease osteoarthritis. A 2010 review published in the journal The Physician and Sports Medicine found that key ingredients in avocados can help patients with arthritis of the hip or knee. 12. Avocados can combat metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome is an assortment of linked issues including high blood sugar, high serum cholesterol, high blood pressure, and high body mass index, which lead to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. A 2017 study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research found that the lipid-lowering, antihypertensive, anti-diabetic, anti-obesity, antithrombotic, antiatherosclerotic, and cardioprotective effects of avocado can help protect against this syndrome. 13. Avocados can help prevent food poisoning. Biomed Research International found that the antibacterial activity of avocados can help protect against E. coli and other foodborne pathogens. 14. Avocados can help reduce liver damage. A 2000 study presented by the American Chemical Society found that avocados contain chemicals that can protect against liver toxins. And avocados may be able to lessen the liver damage caused by the hepatitis C virus. 15. Avocados can be great for pregnant women. A 2016 study published in the journal Nutrients concluded that avocados are high in folate and potassium, typically under-consumed in maternal diets, as well as fiber, monounsaturated fats, and lipid-soluble antioxidants, all of which are tied to improvements in maternal health, birth outcomes, and quality of breast milk. If you have learned something new today, why not like and share this useful information to your friend and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay at the bright side of life with STANGOZ World.